Good afternoon, all. Can you hear me? And can you see the screen? Then type yes on chat box. Then we are proceed today's lecture. Okay. So last lecture we are discussed about disinfectant, their classification, difference between the disinfectant and antiseptic, then mechanism action of or mode of action of disinfectants. Okay. So today, okay, now start. Today we are discuss about properties of disinfectant. So see types classification and types of disinfectant and their properties. Okay, so if you are having the phenol categories drug disinfectant, then it is produced from the collateral distillate. Okay, it is produced from collateral distilleries activity reduced by dilution, more acidic in the pH and organic matter. Okay, and then diminishes its activity. Okay, so firstly it is produced from the collateral distillery. It is its activity, it is reduced by the dilution. Okay, and it is more active in the acidic pH. Also it organic matter, it they organic matter will be diminish the its activity. Okay, if phenol containing some organic matter, then it is reduce their activity. Okay, second one, alcohol. So it is most active against the vegetative bacteria. Also, methyl having the vapor form, it is used as a fungicidal. Okay, aldehyde. So it is formed in the gas or solution. It is act as a sporocidal. It is virus infectivity can be reduced in the vaccine preparation. Second, dyes. It is inhibited Staphylococcus, Streptococcus. Okay, crystals violet destroy only Staphylo, not a Strepto. Selective medium. Okay, so it is type of dyes, that is crystal violet, and it is act on the Staphylococcus, not in the Streptococcus. Okay, so mostly dyes is affect on the bacteria. Okay, and in that bacteria they are Staphylococcus or the Streptococcus bacteria. Next, the disinfectant, that is surface active agent. Okay, these are on the surface of. So in that soaps, so various antibacterial soaps which are used for the surface active agent. It contains cetrimide. Okay, it is also used as the bactericidal. Okay. Next one, halogen. In the halogen, it is treatment with the water supplies, swimming pool, deodorant in the sewage. Okay, so they are act as a. It is used for the treatment of water supplies, swimming pool, deodorant in the sewage. Okay, uh, one of the example, fluoride. Okay, fluoride is used for the sterilization of water in the water tank. Okay, uh, in your home which are coming tap water containing concentration of fluoride. Okay, number of fluoride, so they are different in the taste in some cases. Okay, next one, metals. Metals, it having the slow in action, corrosive in tissue, and the metals, acetate and nitrate of, okay, mercury, more effective antibacterial or the antifungal. Okay, Mixed type gonidins and aminidins. It is the wide range which is affect on the gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Also, it is used as a skin disinfectant against Pseudomonas and Proteus. Okay, it is type of bacteria Pseudomonas and the Proteus. Second class furan derivatives. So it is the antibactericidal against most vegetative bacteria. It include ointment preparation. Okay, as a bactericidal. Then quinolones and the isoquinolines. So it is act as a bactericidal and fungicidal. Most of the lozenges, mouthwashes, throat infection, preparation of throat infection. Okay, the quinols and isoquinols are used. Okay, so next important part, that is the factor affecting disinfectant action, or uh, the factor which are influencing the disinfectant action. Okay, so these are the factors: time of contact, concentration of disinfectant, then temperature, type of microorganism present, or its a number or its condition, also hydrogen ion concentration. Okay, these are also affect on the disinfectant action. In that, surface tension, formulation of its if the disinfection, the chemical structure of disinfectant, the chemical nature of surface to be disinfected. Okay, which nature of surface to be disinfected. Also potentiation, synergism and the antagonism of disinfectant. So these all factors are affecting action on the disinfectant. So we will see one by one. See, time of contact. Okay, so this is the viable death curve. Okay, at the last stage, last phase. Okay, in that A, B, and C, they are the going to uh, at that date, at that time, the disinfectant is more active. Okay, when they are having the, so curve, see the A line. So A line having the curve octane with the high concentration. Okay, B line process or disinfection process obeying first order kinetic, and C, it is indicate the sigmoid curves. Okay, C, A, B, and C. Okay, so A indicate curve obtained with the high concentration. B indicate disinfection process obeying first order curve. In that sigmoid curve, there are three sections. One A section, it is the so in more sensitivity organism. Second B, here the faster near linear average resistant organism, and C, here the slower death rate of the more resistant organism. Okay, so these are the curve. And when disinfectant, if disinfectant apply in this A, okay, in this case, if disinfectant apply in this portion, then it is going to slower the initial kill. Okay, for more sensitivity organism, so they are not affect on the more sensitivity organism. Next, faster linear near linear average resistant organism. Okay, so here they are affect more active. Okay, and last one, see, they are the slower death rate of more resistant organism. So here also less action of disinfectant. So rate is calculated by A1 1s to T. Okay, log ns to n. Okay, 1 divided by T, this is T is the time, log n by small n. Okay, number of bacteria or number of microorganism divided by total number of microorganism. Okay, so so death rate, it is calculated by 1 divided by t, it is indicated time, then log small, this is the number of bacteria divided by number of microorganism, okay, and then total number of. Next, concentration. So they are having the three curves A, B, C, D for and the different concentration. So concentration, it is also affect on the action of disinfection. Okay. You see. So this is the log number. Okay, for survival. So here the 100 to the point. So you are having the large action, then here, and then here. If having more concentration, then having more action. Okay, more concentration of disinfectant, then having more action. Okay, so likewise they are here D, here having the less number of concentration, and so disinfectant action of death kill the bacteria less than as compared to A, B, and C. Okay, so comparison increase and decrease the concentration of killing to disinfectant, phenol, and formaldehyde. So how they are increase or decrease the killing rate? C, N here having the 6. Okay, they are taking the zero point 0.7 concentration in the 100 minutes. Time is 100. Okay, so killings in the 2 raised to n. Okay, 100 raised to 2n. Okay, so we are taking double the phenol. Okay, if you are taking 1n, then it is the 7.4% kills in the 100 minutes. 100 time मध्ये. Okay, here same. Okay, so what is difference in the concentration? Okay, here 6% and here taking 1 ml, here taking 6 ml and here taking 1 ml. Here having the 20-60 okay, for the killing all bacteria, and here taking the 200 minutes. So here less more time, and here it is increase the velocity, and also it increase the bactericidal action. So increase in the temperature, they are also increase the disinfectant. It depends on the, so okay. So here increase the concentration, it does not affect on the timing. Okay, so time is important for the as compared to concentration. Increase the time, they are also decrease the action of disinfectant. If you are taking this example, so time C theta T1 T2 T1 is equal to K2 divided by K1. K1 is equal to reaction velocity at temperature T1 or reaction velocity at temperature T2. Okay, here taking two different temperature. K, it is one divided by existing time. Existing time, it is time at which no living cells can be dictated from the sample taking. Okay, so that time there are overall total destroy of the microorganism from the sample. Okay, so type of organism and its number condition. Number, it is also. So if you are taking the type of organism, aldehyde, halogen, and propylactone, so it is all the antiviral. Okay, so in that we are taking some presence organic matter in the any inactivator, that extracellular protein, so it reduce the bactericidal action. If you are also you are taking the phenol in the combining with the oil activity, so also protein is also affect on the reduction of bactericidal action. Hydrogen ion concentration, it is also affect the rate of growth and the microbes. Okay. Degree of ionization of disinfectant and potency is also affect on the action of disinfection. Absorption of disinfectant at cell surface it is also important. Phenol and benzene, okay, salicylate, are the active in the pH, acidic pH. So in that area you are use that phenol and benzene acrid ionized form. So where you are used the disinfectant and which medium, it is also important for their activity. See the combination of disinfectants, so they are also increase the activity of that in disinfection. Okay. Next one, formulation of disinfectant. So increase the concentration of salt, it will increase the extinction time. Okay. Also alcoholic formulation, it is increase the their activity. Okay. If we increase the activity, okay, of disinfectant, important for the activity of disinfectant. If structure containing alkyl chain, okay, they are increase their activity. Okay. uh, Up to 6 they are increase their activity. If that alkyl chain it is more than 6, then it is decreases the activity of disinfectant. If having the structure containing straight alkyl chain, it give the greater activity than the branched chain. If structure containing halogen, it increase the activity. Also structure containing nitrogen group, nitration, also it is increases the activity. Okay. So chemical structure, it is also important for the study of action of disinfectant. Next point, nature of surface. In the nature of surface, if having the uneven